Currently, CEAT is focusing on improving the sustainability and increasing the digital content of the tire and make the product more safe and durable. So, all of us know by 2050 the tire needs to be 100% sustainable. That's not an easy task. So we are working on a long-term roadmap for making the tire more sustainable and also how to get the best out of the product using various technologies like digital through iTire and such kind of things. And the objective of the purpose of CEAT is to make mobility safer and smarter and safer every day. So we are making our product more safer and smarter. It's a need of the hour. It is not by the regulations are helping us, regulations are forcing us, but looking at the current environmental situation, we need to work to make the tire more sustainable. Okay, so we are working towards developing more sources which can be which are basically sustainable in the sense it's not normal raw material for tire industry other than natural rubber. It is basically you consume and it gets depleted. So we are working on things like recycled material, recovered material, and materials from natural sources which can be replenished over a period of time. So these are the areas where we are. No, it's not true. So if you look at CEAT was the first company to bring 100,000 kilometers, 1 lakh kilometer tire to the market, looking at the Indian market. It's not only in India, because the more you use the tire, the less you consume the resources. It is not only it is good for the consumer and also good for the environment. So whatever product we are developing now, while it has to meet all the regulations requirement on wheel grip or handling, we are also focusing on a higher level of life. So this is basically to ensure that the tire lasts long. That means you consume less material. It's not really it's applicable for passenger car, it's applicable for truck, because in truck we are also looking at improving the retardability of the tire, improving the initial life of the tire. So you consume less of natural resource. The smart tire is the tire must be able to communicate with the vehicle, and it's an active part of the vehicle's various decision making. The car is becoming more and more smart. So can the tire give information to the system that I am sensing that road wet, so adjust the driving parameter. I am seeing there are a lot of there is snow in the road, adjust the driving. So this is the ultimate. But at the moment, what we are seeing this in development in phases. So in the initial phase, the tire must be able to give useful information to the owner or the driver to take decision. For example, so your temperature is this, pressure is so much, temperature is so much, and you have a usable life is this much, usable life remaining is this much. You need a tire rotation, or your driving behavior is this much. If you modify, it needs some attention. So these are the kinds of information the tire must be able to give to the driver or the user in the initial phases. Then in the next step, it becomes part of the vehicle, and then at ultimate, this will be part of the central processing. So the tire is also part of the decision making. The cars are becoming more smarter. The tire also must be part of that smart decision making. Highly conflicting requirement. Highly conflicting requirement. For example, if you look at India, so if you look at globally, there's a move towards electric. So you need lower rolling resistance, higher life, lower noise, and lower weight. And the tire needs to carry higher load. When it comes to India, in addition to this, it also needs to withstand our road conditions.
Right.
So durability versus tire weight, durability versus rolling resistance. So it's a highly conflicting requirements we need to meet in a tire. This is a big challenge.